Introduction to Microsoft projects. It is also popularly known as MSP. Contents of this presentation: history and brief about the tool, purpose and uses, advantages of the tool, getting started with the tool, some samples schedules made using this tool, companies which are using this tool, history and brief about the tool. Microsoft Projects is a project management tool developed and sold by Microsoft. The software idea originated from the vision of Ron Bradhoff, originally written in C language. The first commercial version was originated in 1984. Microsoft acquired all the rights of the software in 1985 and released an improved version of the tool. Microsoft Projects was initially put in use to manage number of software projects within the company, which is now used to manage all projects in software, manufacturing, design, and construction industries. Purposes and uses of Microsoft Projects. Microsoft Project is designed to assist a project manager in developing a schedule, assigning resources to tasks, tracking progress, managing budget, and also deriving cash flows. What are advantages of Microsoft Projects? Microsoft Projects is one of the most widely used project management software. Microsoft Project has been in the industry for more than 30 years. Right. During that time, it has evolved to become one of the most sophisticated management tools on the market. It saves lots of time. With a specific and user-friendly interface and workflow, Microsoft Projects works speedily. It saves time of the project manager. Simple and comforting user interface, similar to that of Excel. The people who are using Excel already will find it very easy to work on. That is one of the major advantages of MSP. Adding interdependencies between the activities is easier, and there will be simultaneous changes observed in the chat area. Budget, cash flows, and critical path can be derived more accurately using Microsoft projects. Getting started with the tool. Your default MSP user interface, it'll look like this. This is title bar, application toolbar, window control. This is tool ribbon, view control, timeline bar, activity area. This is chart area. Getting started with the tool: when Microsoft project opens, ready for you to start creating schedules, you see a screen that includes title bar. This contains the name of currently opened file. Application toolbar contains options to open a new file, to print, export, import the file options, changing settings of the schedules, etc. Window control contains option to close, minimize the presently open file, maximize, etc. Tool ribbon. The ribbon organizes tools into logical groupings. The ribbon provides a compact palette of all the tools necessary to create or modify your schedules. View control can be used to choose the views of the schedule, from default Gantt view to tracking view or resource view for that matter. Timeline bar can be used to add prominent activities in the schedule to watch overlapping of the timelines, and to watch dependencies also. Activities area is the space available for adding activities of the project, assign dependencies, resources, and also to define work breakdown structure in the form of summary task. Chart area provides Gantt chart view of the project by creating a distinguished bar for activities, summary task, and progressing activities, which can also be customized as per the requirement of a project manager. We have just tried to accumulate some sample schedules made using Microsoft projects. This is a schedule of a construction project, to be precise, a pharmaceutical project. Some reputed companies using this tool. Obviously, Microsoft, which has developed the software, uses it for managing their software projects. Accenture uses it. IBM uses it. These three companies are software companies which use the software to manage software projects. L&T. L&T is a contractor which uses it. JLL is a PMC, well-known project management company which uses the tool. Colliers is one more PMC or project management consultant. Purvankara is a builder who uses Microsoft projects.